watch, everybody is packing, and that's Nanda Buribu. I have Madato from this bus. I have passengers from this particular vehicle. Then the other Sienna. Okay, the other Sienna happens. How would the whole passenger buy man?
Even driver.
Chineke God. But how happened the motor there? Jesus Christ. This is happening this morning. Today is Thursday, 10th of June. Not only Fulani, most of these Fulani been Okigwe here. So, my brother, there is problem. You know, the worst part of it now is that we don't have anywhere to call. We don't know who to call to come and help. You see, Nigeria is finished. There is nobody to call to come and rescue this situation right now. Behind on now, additional